Hello everyone, welcome to 3D Dawn channel. Today we are gonna learn about how to create Lumion realistic lighting for the lamp. If you're new to the channel, please like the video and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. First, we need to create a 3D scene for that. I have created a scene. I exported the 3D file into the Lumion. This is how it will look in the Lumion. I have applied the materials and basic ambience lighting to the back wall. I'm using the daylight effect, without any light in the lamp. Just render this and let's see how this gonna look. We have good lighting from outside, nice highlights are coming. We have a nice looking lamp. We are going to place the lights in Lumion. We have so many lights, but we are gonna use area light. Take a area light, keep it inside the lamp, make it smaller size, adjust to the top edge. And take a copy of the light, make it reverse and match it to bottom edge. Let's check the preview. How it's gonna look. It's looking nice. But light is not looking like a lid ad. We have to change the material parameters. Most of the people doing a mistake. By increasing the emissive, it will glow from the inside and outside. Let's check the preview. How it's gonna look. It's completely glowing. But we are not doing this. Forget we have to change the waxiness parameters. Once you change that, put how much waxiness required for your scene. It's looking nice. I have applied the waxiness to my lamp. Let's check the preview. It's looking nice. Increasing the brightness little bit. Just render this and let's see how this gonna look. The render looking nice, but the shadows are not coming perfectly. We need to use one more light for the shadow. That is spotlight. Keep the spotlight on the bulb and adjust the brightness. Now check the render. Now check our final render. Please like the video and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching.